নমস্কার দর্শক বন্ধুরা, রেপ স্পোর্টসে আপনাদের সকলকে আরও একবার স্বাগত। আমি রাহুল। এই মুহূর্তে রয়েছি যুবভারতী ক্রীড়াঙ্গনে। এখানে কিন্তু কালকে ইস্ট বেঙ্গল মুখোমুখি হবে নর্থ ইস্ট ইউনাইটেড এফসি। নর্থ ইস্ট ইউনাইটেড এফসি যারা এখন রয়েছে টেবিলের ষষ্ঠ স্থানে, তাদের থেকে একটু বেশ পিছিয়ে রয়েছে ইস্ট বেঙ্গল এফসি। তারা এখন আছে নবম স্থানে পয়েন্টস টেবিলের। বাট কালকের ম্যাচে কিন্তু একটা বড় সুযোগ কার্লোস কুয়াদ্রাতের দলের, কারণ কালকের ম্যাচ থেকে যদি 3 পয়েন্ট সংগ্রহ করতে পারে বেশ অনেকটা এগিয়ে যাবে, তারা চলে যাবে সপ্তম স্থানে। সো আজকে প্রেস কনফারেন্স কার্লোস কুয়াদ্রাত যেটা বলছিলেন যে তারা বেশ কয়েকটা সুযোগ নষ্ট করেছে। এর আগে 4টে হোম ম্যাচ খেলে মাত্র একটিতে জয় পেয়েছে ইস্ট বেঙ্গল। সো আর তারা সেরকম সুযোগ নষ্ট করতে চায় না এবং তাদের কাছে এখনও যথেষ্ট ভালো রকম চান্স আছে টপ 6-এ শেষ করার। সো কালকে ম্যাচে তারা ঘুরে দাঁড়াতে চায় অবশ্যই। এবার টিমের আপডেট নিয়ে চলে আসি, যেটা হচ্ছে বোরা হেরেরা, যিনি আগের ম্যাচ মিস করেছেন চোটের কারণে, কালকের জন্য ম্যাচের জন্য কিন্তু ফিট, সেটা জানিয়ে দিলেন কার্লোস কুয়াদ্রাত। এবং আজকে প্র্যাকটিস থেকেও দেখে বোঝা গেছে যে শুধু বোরা হেরেরা নয়, আজকে পুরো টিমই কিন্তু ম্যাচ ফিট কালকের ম্যাচের জন্য এবং সবাই আজকে প্র্যাকটিস করছে। সো এটা একটা বড় খবর ইস্ট বেঙ্গলের জন্য। সো দেখা যাক, এই নর্থ ইস্টকেই কিন্তু ডুরান্ড কাপে ইস্ট বেঙ্গল সেই শেষ মুহূর্তে কামব্যাক করে হারিয়েছিল। তো কালকেও কি তারা আবার এটা রিপিট করতে পারবে, সেটাই দেখার বিষয়। সো এবার চলুন শুনে নিন যে আজকের প্রেস কনফারেন্সে কার্লোস কুয়াদ্রাত কী বললো।
We have 4 defeats.
Three defeats.
Please.
Not four.
Every point cost us a lot. Please respect the points that we get. You are right that we have not get one victory in the last 4 games. This is true. So it's a thing that we are not happy, of course, and that we have to take advantage of the next 2 games to try to get points at home. In 1 week, we have the opportunity to be here next Sunday with 6 more points, and it makes a big difference. Because if you see the qualification table, we are in the middle of a lot of teams that they already have played 8 games, and we have played 6 games. So it means that if you play these 2 games and you get points, it's an interesting job to do. But it's in our hands. I mean, we have a challenge. We have a challenge of 2 games in 6 days. So let's get points in these 2 games, and then I think that next Sunday we can be more optimistic about the future of the club. We made a lunch this week all together as a part of the motivation. There is a lot of things that you do to motivate, a lot of things. In the trainings, you do games, you do challenge. What was the challenge? In the challenge, you have to pay a drink to somebody, or they pay to you.
Yeah, of course.
No, you pay or they pay to you.
Okay.
Okay, so he was losing the challenge. What I mean is, of course, that there is a lot of work behind in a professional club, and everybody is trying to do their best. But again, we have to be the first to realize the situation, and of course that we were expecting different results in the last games. So it still is early in the competition. Still only 6 games that we have played. So it's time for all of us to give results, to show the good things that we are doing in the trainings, the motivation, things that we are doing, the psychological aspects that we're working, the physical aspects that we're working, that everything goes together to get the result. Of dynamics. When you are in the good dynamic, it's more easy that things work well for you, you know? I think that one example, for example, is Goa. No, they are in a positive dynamic. Goa, they are getting results, and they were lucky that against Chanspur, the referee disallowed a goal in offside. That it was normally 1-1, so they are losing 2 points. So what I mean is that sometimes when you are in a good dynamic, everything looks that it's going well for you, and when you are in a bad dynamic, then it looks that everything is against you. But it's our job to change the dynamic. As I told to the players, as I told to everybody, after 3 defeats, it was very important to change it, to change the dynamic. And I think that we did a game on Chennai to get the points. And finally we get only 1 point, but at least it was a break of dynamic, because finally we get 1 point in our table after some weeks that we didn't get not even 1 point. So for me, it's the starting of another moment, and let's see if we are able to change that dynamic and to start to the winning days again. If you see, so far we have been playing 12 official games until now, 12 in total, Duran Cup and Indian Super League. And till now it's like 8 games that we have get points and 4 games that we have lost. So it means that we have been winning 5 games, we have been drawing 3 games, we have been losing 4 games. If you see, it's not bad numbers, it's numbers, like, okay, you are getting points in 2 games every 3 games. But at the end, it's true that what is happening is that in a concrete period, that it's the last 4 games, we only have got that draw in Chennai. So, okay, I am a very positive person. I know all the work that is behind. So now is the moment to get that point, and from that point to build again the momentum that we were having during the Duran Cup. We were in a nice momentum, things were going well for us. We get the opportunity to play penalties against Northeast United because of all in the added time. So yeah, it's time for us, to try to be positive and try to look for that kind of momentum.